There are many ways to make money online, including 1. Freelancing. Offer your services as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. 2. Online surveys. Participate in online surveys through websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. 3. Online tutoring. Offer your expertise in a particular subject and tutor students online through websites like Chegg, TutorMe, or VIPKid. 4. Online selling. Sell products online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products on your website or social media and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. 6. Content creation. Create and monetize content on platforms like YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok. 7. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. 8. Virtual assistant. Offer your administrative skills as a virtual assistant through websites like Zirchel or Fancy Hands. 9. Stock photography. Sell your photos online through websites like Shutterstock or iStock. 10. Website flipping. Buy and sell websites on platforms like Flippa or Empire Flippers. 11. Drop shipping. Start an online store without holding inventory by using a drop shipping platform like Oberlo, Spocket, or Printify. 12. Podcasting. Create and monetize a podcast through platforms like Anchor, Buzzsprout, or Patreon. 13. Online advertising. Earn money by displaying ads on your website or social media through platforms like Google AdSense or Facebook ads. 14. Social media management. Offer your services as a social media manager for businesses or individuals through platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer. 15. Online transcription. Transcribe audio or video recordings for clients through websites like TranscribeMe or Reverend16. Online bookkeeping. Offer your bookkeeping services to businesses or individuals through platforms like Bench or Xero. 17. Online writing. Write and sell articles or blog posts for websites or blogs through platforms like Contina or ProBlogger. 18. Online book publishing. Publish and sell ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Draft2 Digital. 19. Online language teaching. Teach a language online through websites like Italki or Verbling. 20. Online data entry. Offer your data entry skills to businesses or individuals through websites like Clickworker or Amazon Mechanical Turk.